So I made this homemade sketchbook out of cardboard and some material and watercolor paper. Now I used some simple, inexpensive watercolor paper as well as some of this Arches paper. So you can tell the difference on the papers that had arches. That's this one and these. And then I can tell I did not enjoy painting on the ones, this is Arches. These are Arches. And then I'll show you the ones that were just cheap watercolor paper. I ended up not enjoying. Let's see if I can find them. I love that one because that's Arches. And this one was okay. Anyway, can't find it. So like this, it's just not as, it doesn't have as much texture. So it's a little bit harder to make a really cool painting. So this one I just cut into strips. This must be, oh, let's do it this way, 3.5 by 8.5. But you can make your sketchbook as big as you want it or as little as you want it.